Hello and welcome to my channel, and today's topic is Istio service mesh. In this video, we'll explore what is Istio, how it works, and how it can benefit your microservice architecture. First, we'll talk about Istio architecture. This is the Istio architecture and how it works under the hood. And then I'll show you multiple ways or methods how to install Istio on Kubernetes cluster, including Helm installation. I'll walk you through a few examples of how to manage traffic, request routing, and canary deployment. And we'll talk about multiple ways to inject sidecar containers or proxies onto the pods. One of the biggest topic of this tutorial is how to use ingress gateway to expose applications running in Kubernetes to the internet. So this is the example which I'm using right now. So we'll be doing it hands-on. So let's continue. And next, we'll install cert manager and let's encrypt to automatically obtain TLS certificates and secure our APIs. And then finally, I'll show you how to use Prometheus and Grafana to monitor latency, traffic, and availability, and not only on the services that are exposed to the internet, but also internal applications. And in the end, we'll talk about gateway APIs and how to use it for service mesh instead of using the typical ingress. And now Istio is an open source service mesh which provides united platform to connect, manage, and secure your microservices. It was created by Google, IBM, and Lyft in 2017, and since then it gained significant popularity in cloud native community. Istio was built on top of Envoy, a high performance proxy that handles all traffic routing between the microservices. And this is the architecture of Istio. And Istio has like two planes, which is the control plane and the data plane. And Istio works by deploying a sidecar container alongside each microservice instance in your environment. So this will create a sidecar container, which is an invoice proxy. So this will be connected to your microservice, and this will interact with your microservice. So the proxy or the sidecar container will interact with your microservice. The sidecar container intercepts all traffic to the microservices, handling traffic routing, load balancing, services, discovery, and other important networking tasks. Istio also provides advanced traffic management features like canary deployment, which we'll be doing now, and A/B testing and fault injections. So these are the components in the control plane that Istio has. The first component is Istio. So this is like kubectl. So this command is like kubectl, and it has pilot, citadel, and galley. So we'll be talking about each and every component in this video, very detailed. So let's get on to the hands-on part.